What is going on, everybody? So we got something new today. Actually not doing any woodworking, but we're doing something that's going to make life a little bit easier when we're out picking stuff up and just generally just running with the new truck. So I did partner with Peragon truck covers, or Peragon bed covers. They sent me out a bed cover and we're going to install it today. I'm going to do this kind of short and sweet and simple because it's based on the instructions. It's super easy to install. So we're going to go over it. I'm going to show you a few little highlights and things that I really think that you need to see and you need to know how to do. But majority of it with their instructions, and I'll show you here. The beauty of it is everything that you do has got this QR code. Every page you hit has got a QR code on it. So you can actually watch a quick video on how to install it. And it's super simple. Based on what I've seen, it's one of the highest rated that I've seen. And I love it for the fact, I think one of the biggest reasons I like them and reached out and wanted to partner with them on this this build. We're gonna be doing a few other things in the bed of the truck that are a little more woodworking related. I've actually got a cool little bed separator that I'm working on. But the thing I love about this is it's easy to take on and off. It takes like 2 minutes to take out. So if you need your full bed, you've got your full bed. You don't have a huge stack of panels sitting up covering your back glass, which I looked at a couple others that would fold up out of the way of the bed. And I don't like not having my back glass. I know we have backup cameras and we have all that stuff, but I'm old school. I grew up using your mirrors to back up. So with that, this does, if you need to take it out, fold it up, or even if you just fold it up in the bed to put something tall, that's taller than, say the 2 foot of the bed rails, you're still going to have your back glass. And honestly, if my wife needs to take it out, she can. The bed rails are super light. I don't even think they're 50 pounds. They might be 30 pounds when it's all said and done. But super awesome kit from what I've seen. So let's get it installed. Like I said, we're going to do short and sweet and simple on the install. And like I said, I'll show you a few things that I think you should really see and you should pay attention to. The biggest thing is pay attention to the measurements. There are a few measurements in here, and us as woodworkers, we're pretty good with measurements. Just pay attention because there are certain things that have to be lined up a certain way when it's all put together. So follow along. We'll get this installed. Love y'all. All right, so the biggest thing you want to watch out for when you're doing this is, so you got 2 T-nuts that work on these rails. They are kind of a pain to slide down just because of the covers, or the rail slots for your factory bed rails or your bed clips. I don't have them sitting here. I'd show you. But set that right there. You have to make sure, position the T-nut. So one of the cab is 10 inches away from the rail. Grab all the washers and stuff. And then on these, so it looks like, okay, so yeah, D, the one marked D, I don't know if you can see that, that's the driver's side, which is awesome, D for driver, or in my case, D for dumb, what else, because, I guess I do need instructions half the time. So, we gotta make sure we got the T-nut, what do we say, 10 inches away from the inside of the cab rail. Center of the T-nut is 10 inches from the cab rail. Alright. And then, where my nuts and my screws go. Couldn't be any simpler. Make sure that we're all lined up. And what you can also do is just check, make sure the center of the bolt, which is going to be the center of your T-nut, is 10 10 inches away. Tighten her down. All right, so I'm gonna finish this up real quick and then I'm gonna show you something else.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby.
All right, so it's been since September that I got this installed, so that's what, 5-6 months now, because it's now March. Slight tough on the video, actually had an issue with the hard drive I had everything stored on. Fortunately, I was able to recover all of the video for this install. I was very fortunate. Unfortunately, I lost a couple other videos. It took a while to get that data back, but I've had time to test it, time to use it. I love it. It's broken in now. It slides in and out. I did go in and adjust it a little bit more, just because it was a little too tight on the sides. Got all that adjusted, and this thing is absolutely phenomenal. Comes on and off pretty easy for the most part. I haven't actually tested it to see if my wife can take it off. I know she can move it, because the last time I had it off, she carried it for me. So super, super light. But yeah, comes on and off really easy. I love the fact that, and probably what I do is probably not the best thing for it, but like if I have a thin sheet of plywood, I can actually put the plywood in, pull the cover all the way to the plywood, just so it keeps it from flopping around, and I don't have to tie the plywood down. Does make it nice. For the most part, from what I've seen, it's fairly waterproof in most rainstorms running down the road. I do know we've had a couple just torrential downpours over the last couple of months, and there's been a little bit of water in the bed. Not as much as you would expect from, say if the bed was uncovered. But if you left something back there, it's going to be protected for the most part. I think I had a moving blanket back there that got wet. Really wasn't that big of a deal. As far as overall strength, I love it. I'm not going to walk across it because I'm a heavier dude. I bet my daughter could walk across it if she wanted to. I don't know if I'd trust it that much. But for security, the fact that it locks inside the bed and then the tailgate on this truck locks. So I'm perfectly fine with leaving stuff in it when we go shopping. We're out on trips, so I'm not worried about that as much. But yeah, overall phenomenal bed cover. Like I said, I've had it on 5-6 months now. Absolutely love it. Install took me an hour and it was installed. So can't complain. I've done other bed covers in the past that I actually ended up returning because the installation process was so horrendous. And then the fact that, I guess the biggest thing for me is if you don't take it out, you still have a ton of bed space. It only takes up like 5 inches of your bed. Yeah, have any questions, leave them down below. Talk to y'all later. Love y'all.